Around 7 years ago, I started to work as a real estate agent in an agency in the old town of the city, Palma de Mallorca. Since the office had a very central location, I was receiving clients day in and day out. And the process while attending these clients was pretty much the same. Once they're walking into our office, they were telling me their requirements and what their maximum budget was. Then they were sitting down next to me, looking at the computer screen with me while I was showing them some properties that could match their requirements. And I remember very well one specific day when I received a client that was very different compared with the clients I usually received. He had a much calmer and more peaceful energy. He seemed very happy and in peace with himself. He was transmitting that energy. You could feel it like being next to him. So he was sitting down next to me with his lovely partner. We were choosing 3 one-bedroom apartments to look at. And usually people or my clients, they used to choose between 5 and 8 apartments to look at. And they were all holiday homes, okay? This was all for tourists who wanted to enjoy their holidays on Mallorca. But he seemed very clear on his needs. He was very aware what he wanted and what he didn't want. And you know, he was very wealthy. He could have easily bought a much bigger apartment or even a house. You know, back then I was in steady contact with very successful business people. So I thought, wow, that's amazing. I can learn from them. This is an opportunity. So I always asked them the same question. What advice would you give your 25-year-old self? My special client, his name was John. He decided to buy the smallest out of the 3 apartments because it was his favorite location. So the moment after the deal was done, he invited me to his new apartment and we had a chat about life. And the same as with all my other clients, I was asking him that question. And his answer was the following. Don't always want more. Know when it is enough. And this relates to everything. Money, food, woman, material possessions. Because if you always want more, you'll never be happy and satisfied. Then he continued telling me about his professional success and how he spiraled downward because of his addictions, reaching rock bottom and experiencing health issues both physically and mentally. I'm not going into John's story in detail here because it's a very private one, but this video is to remind you that you don't need more and more to be accepted in society or show your worth as a person. It's not about what you have or how much you have, it's about who you are and your character traits, not your achievements and possessions define you as a person. Because the kind of person you are is what is going to make the difference. Look, I've worked in an environment surrounded by people with unlimited resources and full of abundance. They could afford themselves everything and do whatever they wanted to do. And most of the times, the people who are searching always for more and better and further were the unhappiest. This because there's no limit to what one can have or achieve. There's no end. You won't arrive somewhere where you suddenly have no problems anymore. They're just going to dissolve and suddenly you're just happy. This is not going to happen. Happiness is here and now.